Hello guys, this is our report and it's all about exogenic processes. And first, we need to know what is exogenic processes. Exogenic processes includes geological phenomena and processes that originated externally to the Earth's surface. They are genetically related to the atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. There are 4 processes of exogenics, and this is weathering. Weathering is the breaking down of rock, soil, and minerals as well as wood and artificial material through contact with earth. Next is erosion. Erosion. In earth science, erosion is the action of surface processes such as water flow or wind that remove soil, rock, or dissolved material. The third one is mass wasting. Mass wasting is also known as slope movement or mass movement is the geomorphic by which soil, sand, regolith, and rock move down slope. And the last one is deposition. Deposition is the geologic process in which sediment, soil, and rock are added to a landform or landmass. Deposition. Deposition is the geologic process in which sediment, soil, and rock are added to a landform or landmass. Wind, ice, and water as well as sediment flowing via gravity. Deposition. Deposition is the geologic process in which sediments, soils, and rock are added to a landform or landmass. Wind, ice, and water as well as sediment flowing via gravity transport previously eroded sediment, which at the loss of enough kinetic energy in the fluid is deposited, building up layers of sediments.
Weathering is breaking down or dissolving of rocks and minerals, and it also helps in creating soil such as tiny weathered rock mixed in plants and animals. And it has 2 types: the mechanical weathering and the chemical weathering. First, what is mechanical weathering? Mechanical weathering is also called as physical weathering, causes rocks to crumble. And as you can see in the picture, when the water seeps the crack in the rock and crevices, the water freezes as the temperature gets low. And when the water freezes, the rocks slowly widens the crack and finally split. Next is chemical weathering. Chemical weathering changes the materials that make up rocks and soil. Sometimes carbon dioxide from the air and soil combines with water. It produces the chemical called carbonic acid, which can dissolve rocks. This carbonic acid can also powerful in dissolving limestone. Next is weathering and people. Although weathering is a natural process, but we humans are also the contributors of these events in Earth. Mass wasting. Mass wasting is a type of erosion that is capable in making big changes to the side of the mountains. Causes of mass wasting. One of the causes of mass wasting is gravity. Gravitational force overcomes the resistive forces of the mountains, and since gravitational pull always consistent, then we see that mass wasting occurs when sometimes the changes in mountain's ability to resist gravity. And there are types of mass wasting. Number 1 is rock falls. Rock falls occur when pieces of rock face or cliff. This results from the rock face being undercut by rivers or wave action. The accumulation of rock debris at the base of steep slope is called talus. Number 2 is rock slides. Rock slides is usually follow a zone of weakness such as a bedding plane or foliation plane. Loses energy and speed as it moves across more level terrain. Next is mud flow. Mud flow or debris flow. Events in which turbulence occurs throughout the mass. And that is mass wasting.
Thank you.